Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video and show you a new program that I found that you can use to tune up your computer. It'll make your computer a little bit faster, a little bit smoother, everything will open up a little bit quicker, and everything will seem to work a little bit faster. Even your boot up and shutdown times will improve. So the setup file for the program is right here. As you can see, it's a tune-up utility. Um, Now you are going to have to torrent this. If you're not comfortable with that, well then I guess you can stop watching the video right now. I'll include the torrent link in the description box below. But once you do download the file, you're going to want to open it up. This irritating music's going to play, so if you are wearing headphones, you're probably going to want to mute that. Mute button's right here. When you do set this up, you're going to want to go over to the setup box over here. You're going to click that. And for me, it's saying that it's already installed. But when you do start the install, you're going to want to make sure to click Custom Install, which will be in the bottom left corner. And after that, you're going to want to make sure that when it prompts or the little checkbox comes up to automatically update, you're going to want to disable that because or else you're going to get a not genuine error after a while. When you're done installing that, depending on whether you install the 32-bit version or the 64-bit version, you can go ahead and click the automated crack, or you can do it yourself here, and you just put the files in the install directory. When you're finally done installing that, you can go here and double click the tune-up maintenance. As you can see here, this is what happens when you don't click the untick the automatic update. So I'm going to go ahead and click keep testing for now. Now I find that even with the trial version or whatever you want to call it, it does still work, exceptionally well. I find that the one-click maintenance is basically all you need. The tune-up utilities that you see over here, you can do sort of like a turbo for your computer. You can set up different profiles like that, so that's kind of interesting. You can go through here and you can see that the tests are being carried out. You'll be able to clean your registry, defragment your registry. So if you have any errors in there, you can go ahead and it'll find those for you, and then you can decide whether you want to fix them or not. You can see there 11 problems have been found that can be fixed, and it'll tell me something along the same lines here. Optimization not required because it's not that many. Well, actually, the first time that I ran this, I had about 400 issues, so optimization was required. But you can see it'll check for shortcuts that don't lead anywhere, temporary files like your cookies and your history and stuff like that. It'll optimize your startup and shutdown. So if you have programs that don't need to be running, it will change those for you, so to make your boot times and shutdown times a little bit faster. And if you have fragmented disks, like you can see here, it says 2 hard disks heavily fragmented. It'll tell you that too. When you run the maintenance, it'll go ahead and go through all these problems for you. And if you want it, you can go ahead and click Show Details, and you can go through here. And for example, let's say if you don't want this to be changed, then you just leave that. You untick that. But otherwise, if you want everything to be fixed, you just make sure everything is selected. You can see, so I've left everything selected here. And then I'll go ahead and click OK. When that's done, you're going to go ahead and click the Run Maintenance button. After that, it'll automatically solve all these issues for you that you left selected, or it won't touch the ones that you left deselected. Once that's done, it'll come up and it'll tell you what exactly was done, and then you can go ahead and reboot if you want. Yeah, so your computer will be running a lot faster, a lot smoother, a lot quicker. And if you, for those of you who don't know how to work torrents, if you like, I can put a video up on how to download torrents. But I think most of you should be able to do that. So go ahead and close that, and that's about it. So hopefully you enjoy this utility, and hopefully you get some use out of it. All right, thanks guys.